Yes. Today we are at Le Baron Rouge. It's a super casual wine bar right next to the famous Aligre market in the 12, where you can find a great selection of fresh fruit and vegetables, antiques, and even some vintage clothing. Get the big wine. The bigger the wine, the gooder the wine. The Baron is a real Parisian institution. It has a great selection of reasonably priced wines from all over France, starting at only $2.50 a glass. On Saturdays, the place really heaves, with people spilling out onto the street after everyone from the market makes their way in for an eye-opener and a dozen really fresh and very reasonably priced oysters. Shocked on the spot, they go down with a cold glass of Vin Blanc after the stifling heat of the market. They also offer good bulk wine straight out of the barrel. This week they have on offer 3 reds and a white and a rosé, starting at €4 a litre. And for a modest surcharge, you can buy a bottle to drink on the spot if you manage to wrangle a seat. We ordered a great bottle of Muscadet, bone-dry, light-bodied white from the Loire Valley, made from Melon de Bourgogne grapes, with tons of freshness and minerality.
As soon as we're done with the Baron, we always make a beeline straight for our favourite little cheese shop, La Page Fromagerie. These guys are located on the same street as the market, so really easy to find, and they specialise in a great selection of products from the Savoie region in France, including cheeses, pâtés, aged meats, and if you're ever wondering what cheese to pair with a certain wine, just head in and see Mika. Tell him we sent you, and he'll set you up with a great cheese every time.
I got Beaufort, which is from Savoie in the Alps. In Pyrenees, the mountains in the southwest of France. And it's a blue which is aged in beeswax. Yeah, so it makes the cheese really creamy, pretty sweet. It's Bleu des Pyrénées. Then I got Fond d'Ambert, which is a caramel cheese. And it's from Auvergne in the center of France. Morbier, which is from the same area as Comté, but it's a cheese which is made in 2 times. So first time in the morning, then they put some ash on the cheese, and then the second part. It's typical from Savoie.
I have everything. I have wine. Yeah. We arrived back at our apartment in Montparnasse, and Benji's going to cook us Jarret De Veau, which is going to pair perfectly with our Gros Hermitage.
We had meant to drink a Gros Hermitage tonight, but we got a little excited and we drank it.
For the record, that's a good wine.
It's a really good one. We should cover it if we can ever find it again.
It's a challenge.
Yeah, so this is Rastu, Syrah, Grenache, and Mourvèdre blend. Smells like black
Fruits.
fruits. I'm gonna do it.
Plums. Prunes.
Oh, it's a little bit nice.
Be perfect with dinner.
I dig it, yeah. I really dig it. Cheers.